Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Math Matters, and today, as I promised, I'm going to show you page number 74 and 75. In the both page we have white 8, white 9, white 1 and white 2. Okay. So what we can do, we can practice few from them, not all of them, few from them. The first math is white 8's 2 number. You have to check that the first digit, which one is our target, is it cannot be divided with 8. So what we have to do, we have to go for another digit so that the whole digit will make up like 67, and we have already crossed the decimal, so we are going to put the decimal on the top of our number. Let's put it off exactly like this and putting 10 over here. And after that 67, this decimal we have replaced it over here. Now the digit is actually not digit, so the number is 68. In 68, 8 goes for how many times? 8 goes for 8 times. Okay, so let's write it. So 67, 68 is a 64. So do the subtraction and you can say that we have, I hope that your copy is clear. Sometime it is getting out of zoom, so please wait for a bit, a single moment, so that the zoom clears out, blur clears out. So the subtraction is 3 and this 2 will come down over here. And now in a 32, in 32, 8 goes for how many times? 4 times only. 8 4s are 32. Your math is done. Pretty simple, you know. Let me finish all of them, not all of them, these two, and I'm going to show you again, or do I need to show you in live? The first one, let me do it because it's making my video blur, so I'm going to do that one for you. Then this one we will do later. So this one I have already done. In 0, 5 cannot be divided 0, so we have to take another digit, and we are crossing decimal, so we will take the decimal and replace it over here. And then in 7, 0 and 7 makes actually 7. In 7, 5 goes for how many times? 5 goes for 1 time, so we gave 5 ones are 5, and subtraction 2 is answer. And then we have to take off this 5 over here. It's 25. 5s are 25. The math is done. It's pretty simple and easy. I hope that all of you can do it by yourself, because this math already we have done a huge number of them. Okay. Now in 24, 6 goes for how many times? 6 goes for only 4 times. As we are not crossing any decimal, so we will not replace it. So just 24 over here. We have crossing that one already, and the subtraction answer is 0. So we have to take this 3 down. This one will come over here and 3 will go down. After that, you can see that we cannot divide, what should I say, we cannot divide 3 with 6. What we are supposed to do on that time? We are supposed to take 1 0, but as you see that this is the newborn, we have just replaced it. We cannot take 0 from here, so we need to give 1 0 over here, then that's 0. Now it is 5 6 are 30. I already told you time before that if it is like newborn decimal, actually we cannot take 0 from the newborn decimal, just replaced actually. So I'm telling it, I'm calling it as a newborn. Now the next one is 1 and 4. What we are supposed to do, we are going to do what? We are going to need a 0 over here, so we are going to give 1 decimal over here. This is not newborn, this is not just replaced decimal, something like that. No, this is the decimal we have willingly put down to take 1 0. This is right, it's 2 8, then 2. Now we can take another 0 from here, and it makes 5. sweet and simple. Okay, now we are going to go for white 9. As you can see that this place is going to be a little bit out of zoom, so I am going to do this 2 math first, then I am going to show you that one also. I am going to explain, don't worry. And seriously, I think all of you actually know better division of decimal right now, because I have done this in the previous videos. I hope that you remember and keep practicing, don't forget that thing. The daylight is decreasing. I hope you can understand by watching the watching the photo quality or video quality, and I'm sorry about it, but it's not actually decreasing, it's actually getting cloudy outside, and I have to work. I have to carry my work. Now you can see we cannot divide 0, so we need to take 4, but you can see that we are crossing the decimal, so we are going to replace the decimal on the top. Then after taking 4 also, we cannot do divisions, we need to take another digit, and this is forcefully, this is why we have to give as we have to take another digit forcefully, so we need to do what, we need to go for 1 0, and after that we can take that. Okay, so 40, the number is 40, and in 45 can fits for 8 times. After subtracting, this 5 will come down, and you can see 5 ones are 5. It's a simple method, simple math, that's it. In 10, 4 can goes for 2 times, so 4 2s are 8, and subtraction is 2, and you can see we are crossing and taking another 8 down, so we need to replace that decimal and take it to the top. After the 28, 7 4s are 28, then this one will come down, as we don't have anything to write down over here, and 1 cannot be divided with 4. What we have to do? We have to take this 2 forcefully down. So if we need to take any number forcefully down, we have to give that 0. Then the number will 12 will become, and 12 can be divided with 4 for 3 times. 4 3s are 12. That means it's finished. Now let me finish these 2. As you can see, there are more 2 maths over here. 6 10s are 6 goes for 1 time, definitely 1 time, but we need to take another time. I will tell you that later, because I already told you that if you are confused about one of your what should I say, question, then you have to do what? You have to multiply question and divisor, so that you can find out answer. As you can see, if we go for 1 time, then that 0 will come down, we have to put another 0, and then doesn't make any sense, so we are going to take full 60 over here. 6 10s are 60. Now replacing, putting down that, we need to take that one down, so what we have to do, we have to take that decimal, replace it over here. Now you can see we have to take 3 also down, so what we are going to do, we are going to just simply write down 3 by writing 1 0 over here, because this 3 we are actually doing what, taking down forcefully, because it was supposed to down, I didn't write it. Okay, let me write it. After subtracting that one, that 0 will come down, but this 0 cannot be divided, so we need to take down this one 3. So what will happen, we cannot also divide 3, so we need to take what, another 0 over here and put a 0 over here, so it makes 30. You can see that this I am not taking decimal 0 from here, because it's a newborn decimal, as I say always. This is the first time I have replaced it from downside to top part, so I am going to leave this 0 for this one, and 6 5s are 30. This math is done. They are not hard, you can see they are pretty easy to deal with. And again we need 1 0, so now it's not newborn decimal, we can put new decimal over here. It's not replaced decimal, it's a new decimal we are giving, so this one, so sorry, 3 is a 24, as you can see. Now I'm writing what, I'm going to subtract it. Okay, Then you can see we need another 0 for this 6, because 6 in 6 8 cannot fit in, so we are going to take this one. As this is not replaced 0, we can take 0 from here. Now in 68 can goes for how many times? It can goes for 7 times. I hope you can hear the raining sound. It's raining a lot. Okay, this is supposed to be 4, then we need to give another 0, and it is 5 is a 40. Ta-da! This page 74 is finished. Now we have to go for another page 75. Okay, the first two math I have already done for you, as I was having less amount of light and having you can see the shadow. If I start writing, then the whole screen goes blur. I am not understanding what is happening. Let's see. You can see 4 cannot be divided 12, so we need to take that decimal and put it over here, replacing the decimal on the top. Then we will get the number 48, and 12 goes in 48 for 4 times. That math is finished. Now you can see again 9, we cannot divide 9, so what we are going to do, we are going to just replace the decimal on the top part, and the number will become 94, and 94 43 fit for 2 time, fits for 2 time. Okay, then 86, subtract it, then it will get 8. Then what will happen? We'll get this 6 will get down, and again 2, 43 is a 68, 86. Oh my god, see what I was talking about? Sometime I really messed up with number. Anyway, let's do the finish. Let's finish last 2 maths over here. You can see we cannot divide this, so we are going to take that one on the top. After that, still 28 cannot be divided, so we are going to take what? We are going to take another digit, which is actually forcefully. So we are going to give another 0, because we are taking 8 as a forcefully number. Okay, now with this 288, we can goes for how many time? We can go for 8 time. Okay, I am not doing the division as I have taught you in class 4, because already I have teach you how to do that. Division is pretty easy. There are 2 methods, we know all. Okay, no worry. So we are going for how many times? We are going for actually 8 time. Your math is done. Then the last one, again you can see we have to replace that decimal, and still 21 cannot be divided 24. So we need to take what? We need to take another 6, so we have to give another 0. Now 216 can be divided with 24 or not? Yes, it can be divided with 24, and the answer is actually 9. 24 is a 201, 216. This is your answer. Hopefully you can see that I am not writing answer over here, but I have kept space on the both page. I have kept space. You have to do that same thing. You have to write down the answer actually by giving the space. I am not writing the answer right now, but you have to write it. Okay, don't forget about it. Write your answers. These 2 math I have already done. These are from Y2 of page 75. Okay, the first thing we have done is in 32 25 can fit for 1 time. We have done 1 time, then we got the answer. Subtraction answer is 7. Now we are going to take 1 down, but we have already crossed this decimal. We need to replace it on the top, so we took it out and we put it over there. Now 71, in 71 25 goes for 2 time is 50, and then do the subtraction and it will go like 21. Okay, now you can see that we don't have any other number to get it down. So what we are going to do, we can, as it is not replaced one the decimal, we can take the decimal. For the third step, we can take this decimal 0 from here. Okay, now for the third step, the second step actually. Second step, we can take 1 0 from that decimal, and that makes 210. And in 225 goes for 8 time. 8 25s are 200, because 425 makes 100. I hope that you remember. Okay, after that we got the answer 10, again taking one zero from here and making it 100, and 425s are 100. Voila, maths is finished. Maths is finished. Yes, we are not finished. Now it is goes for one time in 26, 25 can goes for one time, and we are getting the answer as one subtraction answer. Then this 5 will come down, but as we have crossing that decimal, we are need to pick it up and put it over there. Now it is 15, and as you know that for the first year we cannot take 0 from the replaced decimal. So what we have to do, we have to take it 1 0 by giving another 0 over here. Now it is 150, and in 150 25 goes for 6 times. This math is also finished. The next one, let's do that one. There's, I don't have much more to explain to you, because I have already done a lot of explaining on the previous videos. So I am making it little bit short and simple. Now look at here. It is 32. We cannot divide 24 with 32. So what we are going to do, we are going to give one decimal over here and putting 1 0 over there. Now 240, it makes 240 can divide with 32 for how many times? Let's see. 7 the 32 5s are something. Okay, it's 7 actually. 7s are 224. Okay, do the subtraction. This is a 6, then we'll go over here, and it is 1 and 16. 16, and as this is our decimal, we have put it down. So what we can do, we can take 1 0 from there. So 116 can be divided with 32 for how many times? It's for 5 times. This means also finish. They are very easy. Again 10 and 16 we cannot divide it. So we are going to do what? Decimal and put it over here. Now 100 can be divided with 16 how many times? 7. No, 7 is getting too big. What about 6? Yes, it can be 6. It can be 6. 96. Yes, 96. Okay, after doing that we'll get 4. Then this one can be provided 1 0 for here. In 40, 16 goes for how many times? Only 2 times. Don't mind. Okay, only 2 times. So 16 multiplies by 2 is actually 32, and we are getting 8 over here. 8 and another 0. Taking 1 0 from here. So let's see. 18 can be divided with 80 can be divided with 16, and the answer is 50. Oh my god, I don't have space over here. 80. Oh, ultimately the math is finished. Mashallah. So you can see we have done all of them. I have not written the question answers over here because of saving little bit of time, but you have to write it. Don't forget that, because I have teach you that way. Okay, you have to write your answers. And this is all for today, and I'm going to go for there are more few maths are left for 7A. I'm going to do that on another video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please you can write down and comment below, or you can let me know in another way. You can also reach me. You know how to reach me, right? Take care. Bye bye.